going on, guys? Got a new video for you today. I don't know if you guys seen my last one, but my last one I was putting this bumper on. Real happy with it so far. LEDs are really bright on it. But this is what I've really been waiting for. Let me show you guys what I got here in the back. Got these. Got some wheels ready to be put on. I'm actually on my way to the tire shop. I'm gonna be getting some brand new tires. Went with some 17 8.5, 0 offset. That might be a little bit weak, but I mean, I guess we'll see how it looks. I'm pretty sure they're gonna clear the upper control arms. Worst case scenario, if they don't clear, I can, you know, just put a spacer on it and it'll clear no problem. So yeah, as you can see, like, these are like 30-inch tires or 31-inch, and I'm gonna be going with 33s. I was thinking of going 35s, but I got to do the body mount chop, and I got to clearance the front and got to get rid of a pinch weld that sits behind this. So figured for now 33s will be fine. That's what I had on my last 4Runner and it did great. So yeah, let's go ahead and go to the tire shop. So here we are. We took all them out of the box already. They're working on it. Truck is already jacked up. It's in the air. Super excited to see how it looks. So yeah, take a good look at it because this is probably the last time you'll ever see these ugly stock wheels on it. There it is, guys. Looks awesome with these brand new tires and with the Goodyear Wrangler dirt trucks. Great tire all around, mud and snow. Does great in the rocks, and yeah, should get me through the winters in Colorado. All right, guys, just finished putting the wheels on. I'm loving how they look so far, so I'm gonna quit wasting time and I'm gonna show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that little edit. But yeah, this is the setup. Got these, they're the 4-wheel part wheels right here. It's got the Goodyear Wrangler tires on it. Good for mud and snow. Went with a 285/70/17, so pretty much a 33-inch tire. I do have to do a little bit of trimming. As you can see, it runs pretty close, and let me show you guys something when I turn the wheel. It actually like barely hits. So in about like a week or so, I'm gonna do what's called the Viper cut. So it pretty much runs like from here down here, and it gets rid of all of this. So, you know, it won't rub anymore after that. So yeah, that's pretty much the setup I went with. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. There you go. These have I really like these tires because, you know, they got a really deep tread to them, and you know, they're not only do they look good, they perform really well. Like I keep saying, in the mud and in the snow, which it's you know, I'm in Colorado, so you know, we do get snow. Even though we haven't got much this year, I think we are gonna get quite a bit going into 2022. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys are liking the build. Still a lot more to come, so stay tuned on that. And got some parts in for the WRX for you guys that like the WRX content. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe.